Hello everyone, you are welcome to My Precious Concepts. I am by name Simeon Enilumoka. We will be going straight to chapter 3 of our training. As you can see, chapter 3 we have WordPress installation and interface. WordPress installation and interface. So we'll be going straight into our training. But before we go into business of the day, I would like to explain to us or show to us what WordPress means. Now check this area. You will see WordPress is a free and open source content management system written in PHP and paired with a MySQL or MariaDB database. As of May 2021, if you check, as of May 2021, WordPress is used by 41.4% of the top 10 million websites of the whole world. Yes, that shows to us that WordPress is well appreciated by web designers. So we'll be using WordPress in the course of this training. We'll be using WordPress. Now let us move straight to the business of the day. If you are here to subscribe to this channel, kindly subscribe and click the notification button, so whenever we drop a video like this, you will be notified. Now let us move to the business of the day. As you all know, I normally use Chrome. You can decide to use any browser that you want, but I will be using Chrome because I so much like Chrome. Yeah, I'm in love with Chrome. Now let us log into Q server. Let us log into Q server. Now this is the mail, and this is the password for the cPanel that we want to work on. As you can see now, welcome back Ifeoluwa. Now you will go straight to this. You can decide to change your browser to desktop mode, but I will be using this mobile mode. Now you just have to go to, as you can see this area, you can see active and you can see the domain name. Just click on your domain name, and it will take you to where you will be able to click on your cPanel and do whatever you want to do. It depends on your network. Yes, it depends on your network. How fast this will load depends on your network. Yes, we are now in the client area. This is where you will have to click on login to cPanel, so it will take you to your cPanel where we will be able to install our WordPress. We are now in the cPanel, and what we want to install, which is our topic number 3, is WordPress installation and overview. So you will have to locate your WordPress logo. You have to locate your WordPress logo. It will be somewhere around this place. It belongs to Softaculous. So you have to search for Softaculous. Yes, as you can see, Softaculous app installer, and this is our WordPress, the number one item under here. As you can see, this is your WordPress. Yes, this is WordPress. So you have to click on that WordPress, so you'll be able to install it. Now we are inside where we have to install the WordPress. Yes, install now. That is what you are going to click on. Install now. Click on install now because you want to install it now. Now guys, you will have to always make sure you pick this HTTPS. Always go for HTTPS, so your site we have security 1. Then you won't have to you won't have to always put a www before your site we open. So just pick this HTTPS, and the name for your domain name will be there automatically. But if your domain name is not there automatically, then you have to input or you have to pick it. Now version, let me show you something. See, version. Now this is the latest version, which is 5.8.
but I would like to go for lower version. Yes, lower version, because if I should use this one for you, a lot of things you will not understand. So I have to go for 5.7.2. 5.7.2. Now the next thing is site name. Site name, you have to change your site name to your domain name. The one that we are using here happens to be Ife Global Services. Ife Global Services. Then site description. Site description. We will be going for where where we attend to everything. Where we attend to everything. You can put your own description there, the one that suits you. Now admin username, you have to take note of this part. You have to take note of this part, because if you get it wrong here, then you might find it difficult to get it back. So admin username, let us just leave that admin there. Let us leave, you can change it to whatever you know that you will not forget. So the password, you will have to pick a very strong password. So I would like to go for the same password that I used for admin. I would like to go for that same password that I used for admin. No, or you can decide to put your own password. Let me put my own password, which is this coming, which is this. Is that? Yes. See now, that's the reason why you have to check if it is okay. Now I'll be going for that. That's 78. I think it's strong enough. Strong enough, but if I want it to be really strong, I can just put this one. Yes, and it will be really really strong. Yes. So go for a very strong password. Always go for a very strong password. Now the next thing, admin email. Yes, let us leave that one there. Admin email. Yes. So now we have to pick your language. I will be using that English language, or you can change to any language that you know you understand very well. Advanced settings, you don't need anything here, you don't need anything there, you don't need anything there, you don't need to touch anything. Just go straight to where you will end all this. The next thing, see, we have teams here, teams, but don't pick any teams here, because I will be giving you a team that you will use. Yes, I'll be giving you a team that you will use. I bought this team. This team is a premium team. Yes, premium team, but I will be giving you this team free of charge. Now the next thing for you to do is to click install. Click install. Yes, now my system want to save the password for me. Yes, I'll just click OK. The following error were found. What are the error? Installation cannot proceed because the following files already exist in the target folder. Folder, just select the checkbox to overwrite. If you see something like this, the next thing for you to do is to click this area. Yes, can you see this area? I have picked it already. This area, just pick it, so to override all files and continue. Yes, override all files and continue. Yes, you can see everything is there. Everything is there. Then go for your install button. Click on that install button, as you can see now, is installing. Yes, we are installing WordPress now. Yes, congratulations. Wow, very fast. Congratulations, the software was installed successfully. It's installed successfully. You know, in our previous video, I shown to you the site. Then the site there will, when we open the site, you can see we have only banner or flyer, or let me say flyer of Q server. But now that we installed WordPress already, you can check and see that the website will not be like that again, will not be like that again. So the next thing for you to now do is you can click, see, let me show you. See, let me show you. Yes, let me show you. As you can see, you check this area, you will see, you check this URL. This is your domain name with security. This is your domain name. Now this is where you install the WordPress into. Is your domain name as well, but this is after your domain name. You now have to put slash wp, which is WordPress, then dash admin. This is where, this is your back end. This is the URL to your back end. This is where you will be controlling. This is where you will design. This is where you will decide and design how your site will look like. Yes, how your site will look like. That is where you will do that. So if you click on that, then it will take you to your board. It will take you to your dashboard. Yes, this is it. This is the dashboard. This is the back end to your website. Now I would like to change to desktop mode. From here I would like to change to desktop mode. Yes, I would like to change to desktop mode. It depends on how fast your network is, or how good your network is. Depends on that. As you can see now, my network is not that good, not that strong. That is why it's showing us all this, but it will come to normal very soon. It should come to normal. You remember I told you that your site will not be the same. As you can see now, this is your site. This is the first post. This is our site now, Effect Global Services, where we attend to everything. Nothing here, blah blah. Down here you can see, down here also you can see Effect Global Services, proudly powered by WordPress. This is the site now. This is the site. This is the site. But also, this is back end. Back end. If I zoom, let me zoom to this area. You can see, if visitor come to your site, visitor will not be able to see all this area. All this area. Yes, all this area. Visitor will not be able to see that. So the next thing for us to do now is to return to overview. Return to overview. Yes, return to overview. You can as well see now how can you get into your dashboard. How can you get into your dashboard? This is how you can get to your dashboard. As you can see, this area, you see admin and this logo. When you click here, it will take you directly to your admin, to your dashboard. It will take you directly to your dashboard. Or as well, you can enter your dashboard by let us open another tab. When you open another tab, and you type in Ife Global Services.com.ng, then now you put slash wp, then dash admin dash admin dash admin. Now you send for this, it will bring a template, a place where you have to input your what is it called, your password. But you know the reason why it's not doing that now is because we have not logged out. I did been I logged out before I checked this aspect. Then it will ask us to log in. I will show you that. I will be showing you that later in the day, maybe in our next video. We enter through that that form. But now let us go back. Let us go back to that let us go back to this place. Yes, from here, down here, you can log in to your dashboard. You can log into your dashboard. As you can see this place, just click there. When you click there, then it will take you directly to your dashboard, also I would like to change to desktop mode here. I would like to change to desktop mode. Yes, can you see? This is your dashboard. You can see now that is displaying, is showing just as if we are using laptop, or we are using computer, Yeah, now if you check this area, you can see that it's showing us one red something. Let me zoom it. So you can understand what I'm talking about. You can see that means your site is running an insecure version of PHP, which is 7.2 point which should be updated. What is PHP? Now, the PHP is the programming language used to build and maintain WordPress. You know, the other time we picked lower version, so don't mind that this thing for now. But if you really let us do it. Let us just go to this area. You can see update. Click on update, so you'll be able to update. That is how to do it. Now you can just go to this area. We don't need all these themes. We will delete all those themes. An updated version of WordPress is available, so you can just click update now from this place, so it will be automatically be updated. Yes, but I don't want to update it now. I want to use version. So this is our this is the software that we will be using to design this site. This is the software that we'll be using to design this site. So that is how to install WordPress. Now this is our dashboard. As you can see, we only have post, media, pages, comments, appearance, plugin, users, tools. So in the course of this training, this place will be increasing, as in what is written here will be increasing as we are adding items to it. This is the back end of our site. Yes, this is the back end of our site. So the next thing for us now to do is to just log out. Yes, we have to log out from this area, so we end this this video for today. Yes, as you can see now, this is where we will continue when we come back again. Thank you.